Welcome! If you've ever wanted to organize or revisit your Instagram likes based on a specific time period, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated way to filter your Instagram likes by date range, step by step, so you can easily find the posts you've liked during any period you choose. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the menu icon in the top right corner of your profile page. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap on it to open up a list of options. From this menu, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do on the platform, from your searches to your interactions. Next, tap on Likes. Here, you'll see a list of all the posts you've liked, but by default, they're shown in chronological order, not filtered by date. To narrow things down, look for the Filter by Date option at the top of the Likes page. Tap it, and you'll see a new option appear, Date Range. Go ahead and select this. Now it's time to set your custom date range. First, choose your start date, the earliest day you want to see your likes from. Then select your end date, which is the latest day in your desired range. Take a moment to double-check your dates to make sure you've got the range you want. Once your dates are set, tap Apply. Instagram will instantly update your likes page to show only the posts you've liked within that specific date range. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily filter your Instagram likes by any date range you choose. This feature is perfect for tracking your activity, finding old favorites, or just getting a clearer picture of your Instagram journey. Give it a try and see how much easier it is to manage your likes.